This tutorial is going to show you how to combine and merge shapes together in PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you do is click each shape while holding the Shift key and click Combine Shapes in the top right corner. So there's different ways to combine the shapes. One way is by clicking Shape Union to merge the shapes into one. So you hold Shift key down, Combine Shapes, click Shape Union, and it merges them into one. You can click each shape, merge them, and leave the intersection area out. That's Shape Combine right here. And then there's Shape Intersect. Click each shape, and this will leave only where the shape overlaps out. That's Shape Intersect. And the last one is Shape Subtract. Clicking each shape, Combine Shapes, Shape Subtract, and that cuts out the area of the last selected shape from the first selected one, and that's it.